Today, we will solve a complete-up panels and steel portal frame design example. We will calculate the loads, the portal frame, the concrete panels, and finally, roof tributary area. Step 1 is calculating the roof tributary area supported by one portal frame. The building width is 30 meters and the frame spacing is 6 meters. Now let's calculate the ultimate design load acting on the portal frame. Substitute the dead load and live load values. The ultimate load becomes next this total load into a uniformly distributed load a 30-meter span. Step 3 is calculating the portal frame moment. Substitute the distributed load and the span. The portal frame moment is 5. Let's determine the required steel section. A UB 610 by 129 by 25 steel section. Now let's complete the design by checking the tilt-up concrete wall panel. The panel area is 54 square meters. Next, calculate the panel self-weight. Now check the panel bending and provide reinforcement.